Hi, I'm Molly, and I'm back again with a fun ABC cheese dip that we're going to make today. Our ingredients that we need are some milk, reduced fat cream cheese, garlic salt, and lots of peppers. Bell peppers, green bell peppers, sweet red peppers, yellow peppers. I even have some orange peppers. And we're gonna do some fun things with the peppers, plus they're gonna be in the dip. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I have my reduced fat cream cheese and I set it out to soften. It's gonna make it a lot easier to mix. And then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. I have reduced fat milk. You could use skim milk, 1%. And then a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic salt, depending on how garlicky you like stuff. I'm just going to start with a half. And I'm going to mix this carefully with a whisk until it's all incorporated. Okay, what do I do? We're going to switch to a wooden spoon if I ever get the cream cheese out of the whisk. It seemed like a good idea at the time. Okay, set that aside. Now we've got our wooden spoon. We can really get in there, incorporate the milk and the garlic salt. Okay, perfect. Now we're ready to add our peppers. I have 2 tablespoons of green pepper that I already chopped, 2 tablespoons of yellow, and 2 tablespoons of red. So I'm gonna mix that in. Isn't that pretty? We're gonna set that aside and work on our peppers a little bit. So I have a red pepper here, which I don't know if you knew this, but all peppers start out as green peppers, and then the longer they are on the plant, the more they change into their different colors. So red is the sweetest. So when I cut peppers, I go around the perimeter of the pepper and cut off big slices. And I do this to keep all of these seeds on the inside. And this is just a really easy way to keep all the stuff that you don't want in one piece together. And then I just discard that. Now, if I have a lot of the white pithy part, I'm just gonna cut that away. And then I've got these nice big pieces. And when I was dicing it for the dip, you just make long, thin pieces and then go through rocking your knife carefully on your cutting board to make your little pieces. And as always, if you're cooking at home, you want to make sure you get your parents' permission to use sharp knives. And then with our bigger pieces, so I've got this pretty good sized piece and these other bigger pieces, this is where the alphabet part comes in. So I'm gonna look for the letters of my name, and I've got little alphabet cookie cutters, and I'm gonna cut out, there's an M, and then I'm gonna take an O. Good thing my name's not too long. Good thing I'm not doing my last name. And here's a yellow piece and a green piece. So I think I can fit an L with this yellow piece. And this would be fun really with any cookie cutter. Let me do a green L. You could spell your name, you could spell your kids' names. And then this is going to be the dipper for our cream cheese dip with our peppers. Okay, I've been having fun playing with my food, and I've got my WVU FNP dippers ready to go with our dip. And you could also, if you had like a really big carrot, you could try it with carrots. That's very, very tasty. Thanks so much for joining us with our ABC cheese dip. I hope you give this recipe a try and come back again to our kitchen real soon. Thank you so much.